Hey crew, it's Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, and guess what we got today? Yeah, you probably already know from the thumbnail and the title. It is a tail bag from Kemimoto. So we're gonna put this thing on the Sport Glide because Firecracker could always use more storage when we go out of town on trips. She's back here behind me giggling a little bit at that comment, so maybe we can get her in the video later. But anyway, let's unbox this thing, take a look at it, and check it out, and then we're gonna see if we can get it mounted on the Sport Glide or my bike, which one it fits on the best. Maybe we'll put it on both. We're gonna take it on a big trip to Kansas City for the $5,000 poker run called the Big Ass Poker Run. All right, so let's take a look at some of the features on top of this thing right off the bat. We have a great big compartment up here on top that looks like it'd be perfect for a phone, even size, an oversized phone. Feels like there's some cushion in there, so I'm sure that's probably for a phone or something like that. Two buckles here, open up. We have a flap in here that's got two zippers on it from each side. I believe these are YKK zippers. Zippers seem to work really good. Here in this top compartment, you only got about 2-3 inches, and then you hit the bottom of it. We have another set of zippers here, go all the way around. Now, you can zip this top all the way up, and the buckles go to the top section. They don't go to the bottom. You can open this part of the compartment up without ever undoing the buckles in the top. Release that. We've got mounting instructions. Looks like a rain cover. Straps with buckles, snaps for mounting it. A Velcro divider here, and there's Velcro loop fastening in here for attaching it to. So you could split this up between his and hers, so she can't take more than her half. Not that I'm gonna have to worry about that because it's all gonna be her half. It's gonna be her half over here and her half over there. Got a Velcro strap here. I'll show you this very well, but another like map compartment back here that you can Velcro closed. So big open compartment in the bottom. Now this top that I opened up here has two different zippered compartments there. You could put, you know, cigarettes, your flask, things like that in there. And then it unzips, and you have another big compartment for maybe important documents, things like that. And that's got a hard piece of plastic in it. You could probably take that out, but that's part of what provides the rigidity for the base for the top compartment. And the inside of this looks like it's a good material that's going to be fairly water resistant. So on this side here, you've got a compartment for water bottle. It could be an oversized water bottle like this, or your typical plastic bottle. Another compartment on this side with a identification tag, so like your luggage tag that says this belongs to me, call my ass if you find it. Again, these zippers feel good. In the front, we've got this. If you don't know what this is, you could stuff a hoodie or a rain jacket in here and then pull this up tight to hold it against this on the outside if you had something you weren't worried about getting wet. This side over here, we have another compartment. Now this has got that the same kind of lining you would find in like cooler bags and stuff. So this would probably be really good for, you know, putting a cold drink in, or a sandwich with an ice pack or something like that. So what was that comment you made about this Firecracker when I took it out of the box?
I'm so excited about this.
All right, it's got you know, buckles here and here, all kinds of places it looks like for attachment here and here. So we'll see how this thing straps up. I'll read the instructions and we'll get on the bike and show you what that looks like. See if it's going to fit. It's not going to push you too far forward.
No.
Guess we'll take it for a test ride and find out.
Yep.
Can you say anything besides yep and nope? See how it is, fellas?
Wash my bike.
Yeah, I'll go back to yep and nope. I think that's pretty solid. Well, I think you're set for Kansas City packing. If she can't fit you everything she needs for 2 nights in Kansas City on that thing now, we have a serious problem.
Three weeks later.
All right, so we've had the tail bag on my bike and her bike. She rode to Kansas City for the $5,000 big ass poker run, and she put it on her bike for that trip. We did about 450, 500 miles in 48 hours. What did you think of it, and what did you like or dislike about it from that trip?
I really liked the fact that I could put all my clothes and stuff in the bag, and just when we got there, unclip the bag and carry the whole bag in and not have to carry several bags separately. And also I like the fact that once I put all my clothes and stuff in there, all the extra space in my bike is there so I can buy more things to haul back.
So she's thinking like when we go to BBB, and I'm always complaining you can't buy that because we don't have any room to haul it, that you can say F you and
Yeah.
I can haul it on my bike. What'd you think of the bag itself? I mean, zippers worked good, pockets worked good, everything worked like it should?
Yeah, I mean, it seemed really sturdy and all the stuff seemed like it worked really good. And it had lots of little storage pockets for odd and end things also.
I put the bag on the back of my luggage rack for a while, and then I took my whole luggage rack and sissy bar off and mounted it just on my rear seat. She mounted it on her rear seat in front of her trunk, but I really like the bag. I like that the piping on the sides of it and stuff is reflective at night. I want to thank Kemimoto for the tail bag. Really appreciate them giving that to us to review and look at, and I think we're gonna get a lot of use out of that. And if you guys are interested in a tail bag like this, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Remember, using those affiliate links for Amazon helps support the channel. It doesn't cost you anything else, but we get a small commission, and we use that to buy more gear or cameras or things to try and improve the channel. We appreciate you guys' support. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, check out the content on my channel. If you dig it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You all stay safe and keep on riding. We'll see you in the next one.